Patricia Davis.
Yes.
You are suing Christina
Malignano
and Life's Art Productions for $3,573.22 that you want paid back to you because, according to you, the pictures that she took at your wedding are a disaster. Tell me what's going on.
Well, I hired the defendant in September of 17 to photograph my wedding.
Okay. The photo package that you selected cost $1,607.81.
Right.
Do you have the contract from that?
Yes.
Can I see it from both of you? All right, so that's the package you pick. Your wedding comes and goes, and you think things went well. She sends you a few photos, and you're happy with them, right?
Yeah, I'm happy with those, and I tell her, I can't wait in the email. Initially, in September, she told me it would take 6 to 8 weeks because it was Christmas time, the season. So in January, I think I sent her an email saying, where are we on the photos? And she never responded to my emails, and I texted her and said, hey, I sent you an email. So I had a girlfriend of mine who acted as my wedding coordinator reach out to her to ask her, and she actually called her back. And she explained to my girlfriend that she had just gotten over the flu, she needed 2 more weeks, and that the contract stipulates that she had 90 days.
Right,
So
which
fine.
was true. You were
Right.
precipitous because you were
Right.
anxious and wanted to see your pictures. Okay,
Right.
and then what happens?
So
The
that
90
was
days
fine.
come and go.
So February, we reached back out, no response, and I believe March 1st, there was some exchange via email with her, my girlfriend Daphne, myself, and she needed an additional 2 more weeks. And by that time, I was like, well, no, I want my
Well, you
pictures
don't have
now.
much of a choice.
Right. Yeah,
Right.
I was like, 2 more weeks, what's the problem? You said this, you made me, adhere to the 90-day contract, and now you don't, and, I'm just supposed to take it. I told her, I said, look, I need some kind of compensation for the wait, if that's the case. And I got a call from someone who identified themselves as Bill, who claimed to be the owner. So
Who's Bill? Oh, okay.
Never
And
met
what did Bill say?
Bill said, she was sick, she was deathly ill, and, you're just going to have to wait. And, if you can't wait, take us to court, and I'll go before any judge and tell them how she was deathly ill. And
When'd you get the pictures?
I got the zip drive on April 11th in the mail. And it was just a zip drive. I didn't purchase prints. I didn't purchase a video.
Right, you didn't buy it, so you got
anything.
what you were supposed to get, the USB,
Right.
the services of them taking pictures. Let's see exactly what full photography. 10 hours of coverage, 2-person crew, up to 4 locations, USB hard copy, and I presume that this is the debate. Edited digital copies with full rights, 400 to 600 photos. Okay, but what's your complaint, though? Because you ended up with a USB with how many photos?
I'd say 400 or so.
Was it more than that?
470 to be exact.
Okay, and if they're supposed to be edited, why don't you just call her back and say, listen, I'd like you to edit this or that?
I did. I emailed her.
Okay, let me see the email. Did you ask for money in the email? Did you ask her to edit?
No, I didn't.
Let me see the email. These are the emails where you say, this is what I want. I have a few issues with some photos. Photo 806, 808 is Just by Makeup Artist Makeup Collection. Do you have any other photo that can replace these? I don't see a need for me to pay for photos of makeup. Okay. I understand what you're saying. You don't want to edit the rest of them, but you have no problem giving her the rest of them in case she wants to edit
She
it.
wants to edit them. She
Okay.
wants to clean them up. It's her choice.
She doesn't want to pay you more. She doesn't want to have anything to do with it. All right. Also, 1548 has someone in the picture actually taking a picture of the group, and you can see their hands. Did you get another picture that doesn't have that person?
Yes.
I believe after.
If you did, then what are you complaining about?
No, but it wasn't the same. The people were now looking differently. The first photo that I liked, people were looking at the camera.
Well, why didn't you include the other one for me to see?
After she said she couldn't do anything else, then she sent it. So it wasn't like she replaced it right away. It was like, that's it, we can't do it, blah, blah, blah. And then in an email later, which I have, she said, well, here's another one. Here's a similar one. I found one. As if, I don't know where they were hiding.
Yeah, give her all of the pictures. You don't care. All right, you complain about 2 pictures. That's it. That's all you do. So where is all the stuff that caused you to not only sue for $1,607 back, you want $95 because 2 people ate. That's part of the contract, is that you guys don't have to starve while you're at the event. You
10
get
hours
fed.
on my feet, Your Honor. 10
Say again?
hours. 10 hours on my feet with 25 pounds around my neck.
And then the cost of emailing thank you cards, and they should bear that. Why?